What's up, everybody? Back at the mobile home job, and man, this thing is looking good. This full remodel is starting to take shape. Really excited to show it to you. You gotta check out day 8. Well, we actually have a kitchen, and not just our boxes are in, but our granite's in, and man, I think it looks really good. I love the sink option they went with. It's just big. The farm look is in, white on white. Looks fantastic. So over here at the buffet style, got the bottoms in. All the lowers are in. The uppers are put together. They just haven't hung yet because customers actually changed their mind. They wanted to add some can lighting and some lighting to go up underneath the upper cabinets, which I think is going to look amazing. And at night, it'll make the place look bigger, light it up, put some emphasis on the new kitchen and the new granite and the cabinets. It's going to look great. Back in the guest bathroom, vanity's been put in, granite's been put in here, sinks already installed. We just got to come back and put in the fixtures. We'll come back, we'll put the baseboards in, paint this, and grout everything. And this bathroom's done. Now let's go check out the master bathroom. So as you can see, this one's been tore out. If you don't remember what it looked like, check out this picture. So I'm really proud of our team. They've really been putting the extra hours and going the extra mile for this job. We really want this thing to turn out and be fantastic since it's a complete redo and renovation. Next couple of days, things are gonna change even more. Once the paint gets on, I'd like to come back in and walk around and show you that. The bathroom, once that master's done, is gonna be really amazing. But one of the things that's most important about this job is that this is final. Like they're going the extra mile and doing the plumbing and doing the AC and rebuilding pretty much everything from scratch. This is basically a new home. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you click the bell so you can be notified when we put up any new videos. You're gonna want to see the final product.